All right, we are back at Gavin's place, and today we're gonna be poking some holes. Came by last time and ran the Ryobi Scar Fire across the yard a couple times, and now we are gonna aerate, and then that will get us ready to seed. And like I said before we seed, we're gonna be bringing in some topsoil and fixing this area right here. And that's just a nice big dip in the yard. And then there's a couple other spots that we're just gonna smooth out a little bit. But while we have the aerator and before we get the seed down, we're definitely gonna open up the soil and relieve any compaction and make it easier for us to get that seed to soil contact that we need when we put the seed down. So, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's poke some holes. So the first thing you want to do before you start poking holes is identify the location of your sprinklers. So that's what we did here first. Gavin made the ultimate sacrifice, and as you can tell, got some soaking wet here. So all the sprinkler heads are marked, we're ready to go, we're not going to damage any. And I'm going to make 2 passes across the yard. We'll go this way, we'll go this way, just like I did with the Scar Fire. So that's the task. Here we go. Well, there we go, all done. And in case you're wondering when the best time to aerate your lawn is, it's while it's raining. It's been raining all day and it rained last night, so the ground is super soft. And we pulled some really nice cores out of that. So we're set up really nicely. Hey, yo, hey.
Quiet on the set.
Quiet, you. Those supervisors, man, they're so loud.
Get back to work, he says.
Yeah. So we're set up really nicely here for the overseed. Really looking forward to doing this. We're gonna get the topsoil in the next few days, get that nice and graded out, and do our best to kind of compact it. We'll probably get a roller out here just to roll it down, at least in this spot here. Bring the leveling rake and just do the best that we can. And we'll have it ready to go for overseeding. So that'll probably be the next video. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and follow along. See how this thing turns out. It's gonna be great. Can't wait to see the end result. That'll go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.